In my friend's workshop where I am trying to make the legs for the Pebble tables. It's the first time I work on a real lathe, and it's not one that you can adjust speed or anything, but it works. I've done 3 of them and still 6 to go. So let's do dry fit. So we're back in the workshop and going to try to assemble the tables. So they're all in one coat of Nilzona, to protect the wood, and all that's left to do is to put a coat of wax on them. But time's up in the workshop here, so I have to go to the other place. So I'll take the wax and the little tables with me and do it over there. It's going back and forth, so see you in the other workshop. I know that wasn't a very good video, traveling around these two workshops and, well, sometimes forgetting to put the camera on and things like that. But I'm at the final stage, putting wax on them, and I'm using this vintage antique wax, transparent wax, from Jean d'Arc Living. I just found it on a flea market. So, and it's white because they shouldn't get any darker than they already are. So this wax works fine, and I think I'm going to give the rest that's left in the can to the lady I made these little tables for, so she can put some wax on it every now and then. So for now, this is the finished project, and I'm going to see if I can nicely pack them so they don't damage, because they're going on a trip to the UK, and yeah, I think that will be nice. Nested pebble tables made out of reclaimed wood and some hickory legs with a few little details that I think turned out really nice. So now I would say do some woodworking. It's a nice way to spend your time. Do some recycling, some reclaiming. It's an even better way to spend your time. And I'll see you all in the next video. Até logo.